4 raised to power x is equal to 400. Find x. This is an exponential problem. We can straight up use logarithm. Log 4 raised to power x is equal to log 400. The left hand side is of the form log a raised to power n, which can be expressed as n log a. So we have x log 4 is equal to log 400. We can divide through by log 4. This cancels this, and we have x is equal to log 400 over log 4. 400 can be broken down into 4 times 100, and 100 itself can be broken down into 4 times 25. So I'm going to break down log 400 into log 4 times 4 times 25, so that x is equal to log 4 times 4 times 25, then divided by log 4. Product of these terms can be expanded into addition of individual logarithm in this form. If you have log AB or log ABC, you can expand them into log A plus log B plus log C. Therefore, we can have x is equal to log 4 plus log 4 plus log 25, all divided by log 4. Because this is 2 log 4, so x is equal to 2 log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 4. Let us separate this addition so that we have x is equal to 2 log 4 over log 4, then plus log 25 over log 4. This here is 1 and this here is 2. So we're going to have x is equal to 2 plus log 25 divided by log 4. 25 here can be written as 5 squared, and 4 here can be written as 2 squared. So I have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 squared divided by log 2 squared. Then I can apply the principle we applied earlier with the power, so that x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 2, and this cancels this, so we are left with x is 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. And then we apply another law of logarithm with this fraction. It's in the form log A divided by log b. This division can be simplified into log a base b. So this fraction becomes log 5 base 2. So you have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2. And this will be the final answer for this problem. X is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2. Now we're going to check if this balances our given equation. We started with 4 raised to power x is equal to 400. We're going to substitute this value into this equation, and the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side. So we check 4 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2. Does that give us 400? By law of indices, we can separate the powers using this principle. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n, giving us 4 raised to power 2 times 4 raised to power log 5 base 2, which should give us 400. 4 raised to power 2 is 16, and then here it can be written as 2 raised to power 2 log 5 base 2, which should give us 400. By law of logarithm, this expression here is of the form a raised to power log b base a. But since we have a coefficient here, we need to get rid of this coefficient and transfer it to here to give us 5 squared, which will be 25. The result here should give us b, and then the result here should give us 25. If I rewrite that, I have 16 times 2 raised to power log 25 base 2 is equal to 400. And following this principle, the result of this expression here is simply 25. And then we say 16 times 25 should give us 400. 16 times 25, if we don't know the straight up multiplication of this, we can further break it down into 4 times 4 times 25. And we know that 4 times 25 is 100, so we have 4 times 100, which is equal to 400. So 400 on the left hand side is equal to 400 on the right hand side, meaning that our solution to this problem, which is x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2, is perfectly correct. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.